Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I love indie makeup, and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together. And I love Halloween, and I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already. But if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoy it. Whatever time we end up spending together. If you do not subscribe, I'll make sure that when you go get a little drinky drink, they get it wrong, and then you go back, and then they get it wrong again. I haven't had that happen to me yet, but like I don't know. Felt like a good threat. But today we're going to be playing with the Celestial Charms palette from Beauty Bay. This is an oldie. I think it came out like the beginning. No, this was from last year, my dudes. This was from last year. I can't remember when this was around. But yeah, we're playing with this bad boy right here. I ended up creating this very Halloween-esque type of look. I'm loving it. I'm living for it. It's such a vibe. So if you want to see how I created this look right here, do a little makeup time with me, then let's get into it. We have a little drinky drink. I can't remember what it's from. I think it's like a peach quencher from Scooters. Pretty good, pretty good. Today, I think we're going to play with the Celestial Charms palette from Beauty Bay. I think I've only played with this like once. Maybe in a mishmash. I honestly don't know, but yeah, I'm realizing this one's kind of just been sitting there. We're going to play with it. I think we're going to play with some like more grungier-ish tones. So I'm thinking like maybe like Orb, Omen here, Comet, something along-ish those lines. I don't know. I'm feeling very Halloween-y, so I think this is what we're going to be playing with here today. I do have this Fresh Kiss glossy lip balm on, so yeah, I'm excited. It's my second video back. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. And you guys were so receptive of my other one, so I'm really thankful that you guys, are enjoying me being back. As always, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Aryan Beauty Sweetener Concealer, and then we're going to set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Translucent Powder. Let me switch in. So I think the vibe is going to be, like that, and that, like I had said before. Maybe bringing in one of these like purples here to just kind of like, do a little bit of something other than, what I have going on. But I think that is the vibe. I can't exactly remember what I did with this, but I don't know. I'm feeling like a smoky-ish eye for today. So I think that's the plan. I do think to start, I'm going to go in with my Rephr 26 here, and I'm going to go in with that Omen shade right there. Again, I can't remember what I what I did with this one last time I used it. It's been a minute. And I am going to be doing like my palette purchases recap here. So just don't mind me, I'm getting there. But like I said, I'm going to be taking this and plopping this into like right here. We're gonna halo-eye it. Are we surprised? No, we're not. So yeah, just taking that and then bringing it into, the inner corner here too. Because, why not? Happy first day of Halloween, my dudes. Just kidding, that was July 5th. But yeah, just taking that into here. I need to go to like Home Goods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. I need to go get some things. The thing is that like I want to make my room like a beachy theme, but then there's like no spooky beachy things, So I don't know how to like make it work, but we'll see. But yeah, taking that in here, we're gonna blend this out. Do not worry, like it's not gonna look this crazy. This is just more so placement wise. But yeah, something relatively messy like this. It is bomb though. This is a bomb ass color. I think I might bring it a little bit more in here. Do I look insane? A little bit. Do I kind of love it? Yeah, I do. So now that we have that there, I do think I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of this Casopia? I don't know, whatever that freaking English is hard. But we're going to be taking that and we're going to be putting that on my Refer 01 here. And we're just going to buff out and blend out these edges. I would just like to say a big FU to the pharmacy here and the clinic, because y'all screwed me the hell out of my meds for longer than you should have. Well, I mean, you shouldn't be doing it at all, but like you really just like F me over hard. And I finally got them today. Finally got them. And then I got there and they're like, we haven't even started on it yet. And I'm like, I called so long before. Like I called at the beginning of like last week, I think. It was before the 4th of July and I'm filming this on like the 7th. So I guess it hasn't been that long. But it was during the week because I was like, I don't have many left and whatnot. Thinking, you know, sorry, like I'm plopping that around there and like blending it in. I just started like blabbing. But then for whatever reason, they put it in twice. So then the clinic canceled it. And then the pharmacy canceled that one. So then I didn't get it at all. Finally, I got it today. And I'm excited to finally, like, you know, be getting back on my meds. So then, you know, it doesn't screw my body up. Because when you've been on meds for like 6 years and you go without it, it's just a mess. I'm going back in with that Refer 26 and just bringing that dark purple shade, and then going back in with that Refer 01 and just, you know, bringing it right here. This is a pretty goddamn good blend here. Who am I? That's freaking sick though. It looks really goddamn good. Sorry, I'm really sweary lately, okay? Like, I don't know. I'm still not used to the whole not being at my ex's house thing, so I'm not used to not having somebody to talk to. But yeah, I just put a little bit more of that almond shade, putting it back in here. I don't know, this is looking pretty sick, guys. I'm loving it. I am gonna bring in another brush. I'm using all the brushes today. A little bit. Who am I? All the brushes that I don't normally use too. So again, who the hell am I? I kind of want to lighten this up just a tiny bit here. I might actually, never mind. I think I'm gonna leave it. Just kidding. I fooled you. I got you. Okay, but we're gonna be going in with the Unearthly Cosmetics Glimmer Grasp here. We're gonna be plopping that into that area, and then I think we're gonna go in with that orange shimmer, just because I don't know. I think that would be freaking sick. Maybe put a little bit of that orb shade over it too. I don't know. I think the orb would be a really good inner corner highlight. But yeah, I'm gonna go plop some of this on real quick. I have been just so severely loving this stuff. It's so good. Like I said, we're gonna be going in with that orange shimmy because it's gorgeous and it's speaking to me. And I might bring even in that Solstice shimmy like out here. But yeah, we're gonna start by going in with that orange shimmy right there, and it is called Comet. We're gonna be going in with my Refer 21 here. If you've been here, you know this is my go-to shimmy brush. And we're just gonna be popping that into that space where I put that Glimmer Grasp. Yeah, just on like that. I love how I said I was gonna scooch you in, and then I never like really did. Oopsie daisies. But yeah, just like that. Slay. Oh gosh. Okay. Now I'm like really tempted, like I said, to bring in that Solstice shimmy right there. I mean, it's not like a full shimmer though, so maybe I won't. But maybe I will. Just a tiny bit though. Just a tiny bit. Just kind of like blend it in on just a tiny bit over there. So again, Solstice. Refer 21 here. Not a lot. And then just kind of like blending it in over here a little bit. Not a lot. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It did what it needed to do. Oh my God. That really did something. I love it. I love it so much. Okay, I'm loving this so freaking much. This is so bomb. Okay, so I'm going to probably put some liner down here. I don't know what I might do. I kind of am tempted to put like a white down there, but I don't know. But I'm gonna go do the rest of my face. I'll come back for blush, highlight, lip details, all that good stuff. I think I have an idea for the lip. I'm really liking this so far. I think this is bomb. I might put liner here. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. We'll do the inner corner and everything. Like, I'm really thinking that we're gonna go in with that orb shade right there, just because I feel like, yeah, that's the plan. So I'm gonna go do that and I will be back. Okay, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It's such a vibe. I'm kind of like messy with the lip, but I don't know. I am really pissed off that I didn't realize that the camera quality was as shitty as it was beforehand. So I'm apologizing for that. It is what it is. But no, I think this is such a vibe. Let's go over some Deets. I went in with this NYX liner stick in pure white down here. I'm loving it. I went in with two blushes. I went in with this like liquidy-esque type one. It is called Chorus Girl. It's the cheek and lipstick from Rem Beauty. It looks like that. Then I went in with the Blend Bunny and Juicy Cheeks one, and I went in with that shade right there called Squeeze. Looks like this palette did not make it through the move. That's why the screen protector's still there. That's wonderful. Woo. And then I went in with two highlights because I have an orange and a purple. I only have like this one. It is the Get Groovy Duo one from Unearthly. I went in with it In Your Dreams. Odin's Eye does have an orange highlight, it seems like, but I don't like Odin's Eye. I don't support them. You don't need to sit there and Photoshop swatches onto black people when you could, you know, hire black people, dark skin motherfucking people. They exist. I know that seems baffling to Odin's Eye, but you know, it's not just white Scandinavians. Anyways, I digress. And then we went in with the Blend Bunny and Octalucent because, you know, we already know. And I went in with Far Out right there. So yeah, this is the highlights. I'm loving it. I feel good. I feel good. Okay, and now we are going to do the under eye. I didn't end up going in with like liner there because I didn't feel like it. So there's that. I'm also like really liking the lighter lip, but I also have dark lip colors there because, you know, screw it. What are we doing for the under eye? Maybe bringing that up there down here. So yeah, so I'm going in with my Refer 23 here. We're gonna go in with Omen because yeah, taking that along the outer edge right here, and then in right here. I don't get how people can just be so shitty to you and then still act like you're gonna be friends. Because I can't, I'm not gonna fully say it, but like you get the gist of it. But yeah, just taking that and making this into a halo eye because we already know. We know things here. Like the Buffet Witch, we know things. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that shade that I could not pronounce, so that's one. And we're gonna be going in with my Refer 03 because it's a tad bit bigger, and we're just gonna bring that over that Omen shade and just blend it out. It's rainforesty in Minnesota here today. Where I'm at, it is. Ugh. Also, I am bringing back Mishmash Money. Do not worry. That's always gonna be a staple. It's always gonna be around. There's always gonna be new palettes in my collection to pair with other ones. Like it's gonna stay. Do not worry. I could have filmed yesterday. Okay, I could have filmed yesterday, but I was hung the fuck over. So I didn't. Anyways, we're still going to be going in with this Refer 03, and we're going to be bringing that orange shade down. I don't think I'm going to put Glimmer Grass down below just because I am feeling lazy. And again, going in with that Comet shade. And guess what? We're filming in good quality, I think. And we're going to be bringing that into the inner portion right here. Because, yeah. And then switching over to that Refer 23, we're going to go in with the Solstice shade right there. And just blending that in. Oh my god, guys, that's a freaking vibe. That's a vibe. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, I'm loving it. We're going to go in with Orb now. I'm going to bring it on my Refer 03. No Glimmer Grass, no nothing. Just plopping it right in here. Yeah. That's a vibe. I do wish that I had like a lighter orange, like bright shimmy to go over this, but I think this is just, it's gonna be what it's at. I'm really loving this. So I'm gonna go plop some mascara on. I'm gonna figure out what I'm doing for lip. I do have a couple options here. You know, the neutral one I feel like would kind of hit, and maybe putting this purple gloss over, but I do have this one. That one maybe hit, and I do have, where is it? Orange one right here too, which could kind of be a vibe if we paired like those two together. So I think that's actually what I'm gonna go with. So this is, they're both from Unearthly. This one's called Dreamy and this one is called Psych. I think that's gonna be the vibe. So give me a second. For the lip, I ended up going in with this one into light instead of the ones that I picked out. The other ones were just way too light, okay? Like they weren't what they needed to be, and this is what it needs to be, okay? Okay. I'm gonna do a little up close look at this look. I freaking love it. I think this is so much fun. It's so Halloween-y. It's such a vibe. I freaking love it. I love it so freaking much. This is gonna be my vibe, okay? Everybody's doing like Christmas in July. No. It's Summerween, bitches. Get with the program. Even though I'm probably going to read a Christmas book because, you know, why not? But yeah, I love how this turned out. I forgot like how much I love Beauty Bay's formula. I think they're gonna be bringing out a new palette soon. It's like desert something. I'm hoping that is a vibe, okay? I'm hoping it's a vibe. I'm hoping it's a 20 pan because they freaking nail their 20 pans. I love their 20 pans. They're so good. Their Wilderness one from years back is like one of my all-time favorite palettes. But yeah, this is a solid palette. I do need to play with like maybe these like teals at some point. I think that would be a whole hell of a lot of fun. But yeah, I fuck with this. I think this is good. I love how this side is curly and this side's not. We're just, okay, there's that. But yeah, I freaking love this look. I think it turned out so bomb. It's so good. I enjoy it. I love being back. It feels so good to be doing makeup and filming again, okay? Just, I freaking love it. But if you made it to this point of the video, thank you guys so incredibly much for watching. I love doing this. I love having you guys here. You guys being so loving and supporting of me, and just like having that space that I needed to, you know, get myself in check, which I have. I didn't think it was going to be possible after everything, but you know what? Your bitch is freaking thriving, and I've honestly never felt better. So there is that. But yeah, so just thank you guys so much. A couple things before you go, like a couple things though. Remember to not be piece of shit. Don't be hopeful, victory, chance of victory, racist. It is 2025. Blow your head or your ass and do freaking better. And remember to be spreading like happiness and kindness and inclusivity. Just it's not that hard. Okay. Okay. And remember, morals over makeup. Okay. Some of y'all really need to get that through your head. Okay. Okay. But yeah, just thank you guys so incredibly much for being here, for enjoying me. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys so incredibly much. So just thank you so much. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.